In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Jira. Managing notifications effectively can make a world of difference in staying organized and focused without getting overwhelmed by a flood of updates. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to tailor Jira notifications to suit your needs. First, head over to your Jira homepage. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Settings option. Click on that, and then select Notifications from the drop-down menu. This section is your control center for managing how you receive updates about different activities in Jira. Navigating this area efficiently is the first step in taking control of your notification experience. Next, scroll to find the Email Preferences section. This is the area where you can adjust how and when you receive email alerts from Jira. If you decide that email notifications are too overwhelming or distracting, you have the option to turn them off entirely. To do this, simply toggle the option labeled Send Me Emails for Issue Activity to the off position. However, if you prefer to receive emails but wish to refine the type of activities that trigger notifications, pay special attention to this section. You'll notice options under Receive Emails When, where you can customize your alerts. Here's where your choices come into play. You can check or uncheck boxes that correspond to instances where you are the assignee, the reporter, or when you make changes to issues. This flexibility allows you to receive only the most pertinent updates based on your role and involvement, ensuring that you stay informed without the unnecessary noise. Moving on, let's talk about the frequency of these notifications. Constant email alerts can be quite distracting, so under the Group Notification Emails Together section, you can streamline this by selecting how often you'd like to get grouped email notifications. Click on the drop-down menu to choose your preference, every 3 minutes, every 10 minutes, or even just once per day, and you can set a custom time. If you find grouped notifications helpful, make sure to toggle Group Notification Emails Together to On. Otherwise, leave it off to receive each notification as an individual email. Another preference to consider is the format in which you receive these emails. In the Email Format section, you can decide between receiving emails in HTML or plain text. While HTML might be more visually appealing and easier to digest at a glance, plain text emails can be quicker to load and more straightforward to read on certain devices. Lastly, let's touch on customizing notifications. Under Default Notification Settings, you can manage boxes for notifications for all issues versus notifications for relevant issues, checking or unchecking them based on your needs. For those looking to get even more specific, head to Customize Project Notifications. Here, click on Add Project Notifications, search for the project you need to configure, and confirm your choice. This feature allows you to tailor the list of notifications for that selected project according to what makes sense for you and your team. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering Jira notifications. Customizing these settings ensures that you are kept in the loop about the most important updates while minimizing disruptions. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to take control of your notification flow in Jira.